Welcome to the show how to switch on or off screen touches into screen recorder in your Realme Narzo 50A Prime. Firstly, open your top navigation bar and find here your screen recorder button, this one. If you don't have this button here, press to pencil, then scroll down and find this button in this block, gray, and then press and hold and add to your top navigation bar, this button. And for saving, click back. And now when we add this button here, press, and here we got show touches on screen. So this position like gray, it's turn off this option, and this like blue, it's activate this option. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.